his approach of giving us a support is always welcoming. So welcome this function. We have the expert in the field, Dr. Vignesh, who is the strategic head throughout the country and who will be teaching us how to navigate, how to search, how to find out the different information. There are 2.5 crores of books, that's articles, or we call it resources. So how to search the authorities, he'll be teaching us for the full day.
All the books, articles, whatever it is being compiled and put in the app, which will be helpful for the librarians, the readers, and the general public in future. And for that, we should know the digital media, digital technology, and we should be techno-savvy with the computers and the mobiles. So we can teach our readers also how to get acquainted with this type of technologies.
We, a group of librarians, visited Melbourne. There we visited a lot of public libraries. वहाँ पे say for example कोई भी बच्चा फायदा होता है, first gift goes from the government department, that is library. Lifetime free membership for the child, along with 10 to 15 books which the child has to complete before he or she attains the age of 5. And after the age of 1, the child must be taken to the library, and whenever there is a storytelling session or any activity that are done to the children, they have to be taken to the library. So what happens in this process is the child becomes introduced to the culture of reading.
Education is not pursuing the degree by answering the exam, but we should learn the crux of the education. Actually, education is a Latin word derived from 3 words. That is educare, educure, and educatum. It is not only mean that whatever there in the textbook, we should go as per to that text. की आपल्याकडे जे गुण जे असतात ते गुण सोडून जर आम्ही दुसऱ्यात खंयच्या भलत्याच जर नादाक जर लागले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी आयुश्याचे वाटोळे करता, वाटोळे. आणि मागीर आमी तकलेर हात मारता, अरे बाबा हे हांवें कितें केलें म्हण. दॅट मिन्स वी डू नॉट हॅव अ प्रॉपर एडवायस. आमी नवे जे कोण आमचे कडेन एडवायस घेवपाक जे येतात तांकां सल्लो दिवप हें खूब म्हत्वाचें. आनी तेन्नाच आमी म्हणटले की वी आर अ प्रोफेशनल्स. आणि आय एक्सपेक्ट द सेम थिंग फ्रॉम ऑल द लायब्ररियन्स अँड ऑल माय स्टाफ दॅट वी शूड गायड टू अ प्रॉपर वे. कारण जेन्ना ल्हान भुरगीं आसता तेन्ना ती मॅच्युअर्ड नासनात. तू एक वेगळो विचार सांगता, तो एक वेगळो विचार सांगता, आणि ते नेमकेच खंय स्ट्रेस करपाचें ते तांकां जमना. आणि शेवट तो वेळ गेल्लो आसा आणि खंय तरी करपाक जाय, शेवट त्या आमकां फिल्डान भितर वचपाक जाय म्हणून ते वता. आणि शेवट दिशा जी आसता पळय न्ही आपल्या आयुश्यांतली, ती दिशा खंय तरी भरकटलेली आसता.